Is your dream college an IIM? Then you must have heard about Integrated Program for Management, IPM, which is a 5-year course offered by several IIMs for students who have completed their class 12th. Now, to get into this program, you have to give an aptitude test, which is known as Integrated Program for Management Aptitude Test, IPMAT. This exam consists of mainly 3 sections. First, quantitative aptitude. Second, logical reasoning and data interpretation. And third, verbal reasoning. Now, to prepare you guys for IPMAT, we, Tarkashastra, have come up with a 1-year comprehensive course which will be targeting all the IPMAT exams and several other BBA exams for the year 2025. With Tarkashastra, you get live classes in hybrid mode so that you never miss a class. You get online learning platform with AI-based study planner and sectional tests, challenger zone, class PPTs and much more. You also get full-length mock tests of all the IPMAT exams and various other BBA entrance examinations. And the most important thing, you get a mentor who will guide you till the end with his one-to-one mentorship. So what are you waiting for? Enroll yourself for IPMAT program with Tarkashastra and let's achieve your dreams together.